Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Brittany J here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping in. Today's video is going to be all about protective styling our natural 4C hair. Me as a mom, wife, and entrepreneur, it gets quite hectic around my life in the different things, the day-to-day things that I do. But a lot of times I still want to look decent. I still want to feel good about myself, even in the hustle and bustle of daily life and stuff. I still try to find ways to make myself look presentable for first myself as well as to the world. So in this video, I'm just going to share some inspiration on a protective style that we all know and love. And it's going to be for large twists. Okay, and these large twists can be styled in almost any kind of way that you can come up with. Whatever your creative mind come up with, you can pretty much style your hair in different ways. Okay, so hang out with me. I'm gonna share this video with you as I protective style my hair. All right, peace. I'm just trying to record to finish out a video, and then this lovely comes in. Yeah. Hi. All right, guys, we're going to start off with some clean and moisturized hair. All right. I have my hair sectioned in about 8 sections, 4 on one side, 4 on the other. I'm just going to break down each section and start to pull the hair apart, make sure it's detangled. And I'm just going to start breaking it down into the section I want it to be in. I'm not necessarily going for any particular parting, I would say. I'm just going to, like I said, break it down into the size that I want it to be in. Start off with a braid and then go into the twist. Now, the reason I'm starting off with a braid is so that the tension from the braid can actually allow the style to last a lot longer than if you would just start with a twist. Now, this is just my personal preference. If you want to do something different, by all means, go for it. So yeah, I'm just going into the next section, breaking it down, detangling it well. And then, as I said, I'm going to part it into the size and section that I want it to be in. Start off with that braid, go into a twist, and boom, there you go. This style should take you no more than 30 minutes. That is the reason why, like I said, I didn't part it in a particular way. I just broke down the section that I wanted into the size that I wanted, and I just go for the braid. I made sure it was detangled and go for the braid and then go into the twist. This allows you to get it done and get it done in a reasonable amount of time. As I said, this is for busy moms, working moms, whatever your lifestyle is. It does not have to take a long time to get yourself dialed up. All right, we have made it to the end. All right, so I'm just finishing off this last twist, and I actually have a couple of styles that I want you guys to try out once you do this style. So look at how cute that is. I mean, already just by itself. Got them twists done. I had to get that sweater off so you guys can see it well. Look at there. It looks full. It looks neat. And this is the first style that I'm trying out, just half up, half down. As you can see, that's really cute, actually having those two twists at the front, but I did pull it back. And yeah, just put it in there, and I got 2 corner twists hanging out by my ears. I actually like that style a lot. All right, and this is the second style where I'm gonna pull all of it up, all of the back and the front, everything in one ponytail, leaving the 2 side twists out. All right. And as I get that all in there, I'm going to actually go into like a little twist, like a messy twist to go into a messy bun. And look at how cute that is. But wait a second, I gotta add one more thing. Watch this. Go hoops always make it even better, okay? So I had to add that to the style. Just look at how cute that is, y'all. Simple, and it's done, okay? My next style, I took that down and just pulling it all to the side. If you want it all to hang out, just like to flow, there you are. And this is the very last style where I do a side twist. All of the hair is pulled to one side, and then I do one big side twist. And look at there, she is gorgeous, y'all. Y'all gotta try this style. Y'all have to try it, okay? Thanks for watching.